Today we will learn how you can share reels with curved edges just like iPhone does. To be honest, it looks super fantastic than sharp edges. Let me show a demo of it. This was before and this is after. So without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be using Honista. You also can use Insta and other Insta mods. First of all, download and install this application, link in the description. Now log into your account. Okay, after you have logged in, you will see a settings icon at the top corner. Click on it and select advanced option. Now search for developer option and enable it. Now reset the app. Okay, after restarting, press and hold this home icon and click go to developer option page. Then select modify quick experiment settings. And search for clips video and enable all. Now again search for mention and enable the first settings only. Okay, after you're done, you start the app. We're almost done. Now you have to install the Gbox keyboard. You can find it on Play Store or you can download it from Google. You also have to download this timer zip file from the description. Now we are ready to share reels with curved edges. Go to Honista and select any reel that you want to share. As you can see, curved edges are applied but the timer is absent. So to add it, use Gbox keyboard and click here. Choose the time according to your reel. Finally adjust it and share. So we're pretty much it for today. Hope you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'll really appreciate it. I'm leaving for now, I'll catch ya in the next video. Till then, keep supporting, keep loving. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Islam from theastltd signing out. Wait. If you want more video like this, then comment your thoughts in the comment section. Peace.